In suburban North America, the hides a fabric jungle that contains an apex predator. We'll see if we can lure it out. It's a house cat.
Sharp, retractable claws, keen eyesight, and a heavy tail for balancing make him a highly effective and agile hunter. Known for decimating the populations of small mammals and songbirds the world over, you can be lured out with a simple glass of milk. And now we wait. This bizarre behavior is a relic of its domestication. Locked indoors, he suffers from a limited diet, which he is always seeking to diversify. Milk provides a wealth of proteins and fats, ideal for a hungry animal, if only he weren't lactose intolerant. Tuna is another favorite. In the wild, cats are adept fishermen. Here, in the suburban home, he must settle for canned. While his owner's back is turned, he makes exceptional use of his powerful hind limbs to leap onto the counter and begin his theft. While thievery provides some stimulation, if allowed to roam outside, he would roam several square kilometers, so his confinement limits his options. These exercises keep his muscles strong and his wits sharp, testing his ambush skills so essential to their survival in the wild. Satisfied, he sits down for a long rest. You might think that being the only house cat around would be a little lonely. But we find that he appreciates the comfort of his human companions very much indeed. What are you doing? Get out of here.